Welcome, today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to your mobile data. And here on the right upper corner, or also you can have that here on the left upper corner, tap there and go to the settings. Now just here tap to the network preferences, and here click to the auto update apps and switch the tower Wi-Fi only to the don't auto update apps, and here just confirm by tap to done. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.